Hey everyone, I am K.Harshith. In my previous video, I have explained the concept of hydrocarbons, then the division of hydrocarbons, that is open chain, closed chain, and in open chain we saw that there are again two divisions, saturated and unsaturated. And in saturated we learnt about alkanes, and in unsaturated we learnt about alkenes and alkynes. Now in this video let us study about each of alkane, alkene, alkynes in detail. Now first I'm gonna explain about the alkenes. Now what is the general formula of alkenes? I have already written here, CnH2n plus 2. So this is the general formula for alkenes. Now we will be taking the value of n, and then we would be drawing the structural formula, the condensed formula, the electron dot structure, and then we will be naming the compound according to the IUPAC. Now if the value of n is 1, then here you see n is 1, so C1, or else just a C. H, in place of n you substitute 1. 2 1s are 2, 3 4, CH4. If n is 1, then the compound would be CH4. How to draw the structural formula for CH4? 1 carbon atom, tetravalency for the carbon, that is 4 hydrogen atoms. Done. Coming to condensed formula, it remains the same. We don't get condensed formula for this compound. Coming to electron dot structure, this is the electron dot structure that we have learnt in class 9. That is nothing but we will be satisfying the elements according to their need. Now if you see, hydrogen needs 2, hydrogen is having 1, it need 1 more, so here we are satisfying. One is hydrogen, another one is from carbon. Here also same, here also same, here also same. Hydrogen has got satisfied. Coming to carbon, 1 2 3 4, more 4 it requires, so hydrogen is supplying more 4 hydrogens. So this is the electron dot structure. Now coming to IUPAC names. The IUPAC, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, IUPAC full form is, it has named basing on this formula. It will be taking a word root and then would be adding a suffix. It will be taking a word root and then adding a suffix. Now if you see here, the word root is dependent on the number of carbon atoms. If the word root is 1, if the number of carbon atom is 1, then the word root would be meth. Suffix is drawn from this, this we are learning the alkanes. We are learning about alkanes, so suffix is derived from this term, meth and ane. The compound is methane. Got it? Now let us see putting n as 2. 2n means C2, 2 carbon atoms. Substitute value of n here, C2 H, 2 2s are 4, 5 6, C2H6. Now 2 carbon atoms are there here, 2 carbon atoms, and then as already 1 bond is there for each carbon, more 3 bonds for this, 3 bonds for this, to satisfy the need of hydrogen. C2H6. Now then the condensed formula for this would be CH3 double bond CH3. Means we are not representing the hydrogen separately, but we are combining C1C 3H and 1C 3H. Now coming to the electron dot structure, it would be like this. Now carbon requires 4 for this 4, and then even for this 4. Yes, am I right? And then here hydrogens would be kept. Here we don't keep any hydrogen because the bond is satisfied here by carbon. And now again for here we are putting hydrogens, and then draw the circles showing that we are satisfying. Now you see, for carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 like this. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like this. Then the IUPAC name, if the number of carbon atoms are 2, we say eth. Suffix would be same for alkanes, it will be ane only. So the compound is ethane. First compound is methane, second compound is ethane. Now coming to n is equals to 3. N is equals to 3 means C3 H, substitute 2 3s are 6 7 8, C3 H8. Okay, now you see 3 carbon atoms joined, then hydrogen atoms, as it's having already one bond, so 1 2 3, here 1 2 are there, so more 1 2, and here 1 2 3 hydrogens. Done. So if you see 1 2 3, 3 carbons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 hydrogens. The condensed formula would be CH3, here only 2 H's, so CH2, again 3, so CH3. Then the electron dot structure would be the same, but we would be adding another carbon atom here. Okay, I'm not drawing the electron dot structure because it would be the same as we are drawing. The word root for 3 carbon atoms would be prop. It would be prop, and the suffix is same, so the compound would be propane. I am doing another one, 4, N4, C4 H, 4 2s are 8 9 10, C4 H10. Now 4 carbon atoms, and then here same 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Add hydrogens. Done. This is the structural formula, and then the condensed formula would be CH3 CH2 CH2 2 CH3. The electron dot structure again same means the carbon atoms will be increasing, and then the structure would be getting modified again. The word root for 4 carbon atoms would be but. Suffix would be the same, ane. The compound would be butane. Got it? So if 1 carbon atom, then it will be meth, 2 carbon atom eth, 3 carbon atom prop, 4 carbon atom but, like that. 5 carbon atom pent, 6 hexa, 7 septa, 8 octa, 9 nana, like this it would be coming. And then the suffix would be ane always for alkanes, means methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, septane, octane, like that. So I hope you all have understood. In exam they would be asking to draw the electron dot structure. So electron dot structure is this. Never draw this because this is the structural formula. This we can draw in rough, and according to this we can go. So if 1 bond means there would be 2, one a dot and 1 cross. Dot belongs to hydrogen, cross belongs to carbon, or dot belongs to carbon and X belongs to hydrogen. Anything can be kept. I hope you have understood the concept of alkanes, like how we are taking the IUPAC names, and then what is the structural formula, condensed formula, and then the electron dot structure. So in my next video we will be learning about alkenes. Thank you.